Hello guys, once again you all are welcome to our channel. So in this video, by seeing this topic or the title, you may understand that what the topic is related about. So this topic is related about hydropower basic knowledge. So most of the people or most of the students who are working in hydropower, they generally do not know, or maybe some of them have known about it. So the main concept of this tutorial or is this video is to know you that what's the what's the income of the hydropower. So if the hydropower power generation is 900 megawatt, so what will be its income per day, per month, and per year. So in this video I am going to show you this this hydropower basic knowledge, right? So my request is to you all that please watch this video completely. So let's start this tutorial. So you can see that the 900 megawatt hydropower income per day question mark is there. So first of all, the calculation is that, so 1 megawatt equals to 10 to the power 6 watt, right? So 1 unit equal to 1 kilowatt hour. 1 kilowatt hour is 10 to the power 3 watt hour. So first of all, in step 1, what we need to do, I hope you are seeing our cursor, right? So here, once if you are going to calculate what will be the generation, what will be the unit for 900 megawatt per day, per month, and the per year. This is the step 1 for this. So first of all we need to convert this power into unit, right? Because the payment of electricity is in unit. So this is the generation of electricity. Hydropower, what its main motto is that hydropower means generation of electricity through the water, right? So it has a lot of components, so I will teach you each and everything. So first of all, I'm going to tell you the main concept of this 900 megawatt hydropower, how much the income per day. So you know the hydropower has the initial cost is quite high, but after that it has the very lower maintenance charge. So first of all, we all know that this is the power, right? And this is our 900 megawatt. I hope you can see my cursor here. 900 megawatt is our aim, and 900 megawatt is equal to 1 megawatt equal to 10 to the power 6 watt. So it will be 900 into 10 to the power 6 watt. So we need to convert this into kilowatt hour. So 1 kilowatt equal to 1 kilowatt equal to 10 to the power 3 watt, right? So here, this only I have written here. So here you are saying that it should be like a 10 to the power 8, right? Means 9 into 10 to the power 8 watt. But you know that 1 kilowatt equal to 10 to the power 3, so it has been cancelled. So 8 minus 3 will be 5. So here our cursor, so the unit is 9 into 10 to the power 5 units. This is in hour. So this 900 megawatt hydropower per hour income is, so per hour electricity generation is 9 into 10 to the power 5 unit. This is per hour, means for 1 hour this 900 megawatt will generate the 9 into 10 to the power 5 units of electricity. So here step 2. So first of all, convert the into income per day. So this will be generate 900 megawatt. This is in the full load condition, okay? So in full load, so you know that, so the efficiency can never be like 100%. It has some losses, right? So the losses will be like 20% or maybe 15%. So it will be like 80 to 85% the output will be generated. So for this is theoretical, I'm telling to you, but practically it is not possible. We need to deduct some of the megawatts, like per hour it will generate 700 or 750 megawatt. So for this point of view, I'm going to tell you, and one unit cost is rs5 Indian currency, right? So in the next slide I'm going to show you. So this is our next slide. So what will we do? So 1 unit equal to rs5 NR, right? So this unit cost will be this much per hour, right? This 45 into 10 to the power 5 is the per hour cost. So if we multiply it with this 5, then we will got the per hour charge. So after this is in hour. So now we need this in a day. So we know that in a single day 24 hours will be there. So this 45 into multiplied by 24, then it will be 1080 into 10 to the power 5 per day. This is the charge for this hydropower. Will be the cost for one day will be 1080 into 10 to the power 5. This is in RS, right? So if we go for a month, it will be like 30 days will be in a day, means in a 1 month 30 days. So this cost will be like this much. So our now convert for the yearly cost. So this 900 megawatt will generate how much income per year? So we know that in 1 year 365 days, but in hydropower does not run in full condition like in rainy season and in dry season. It won't give you the output of 900 megawatt. It has some losses. I have already told you about this. So it is taken only as 300 days equal to 1 year. So this cost will be like 324 into 10 to the power 8 Indian currency per day. So this is the video all about. So if you have any queries regarding this hydropower, please comment me. I will try to solve your problem. Thank you so much.